guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rebecca Elaine, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I refreshed this old braid out. Usually my braid outs last a lot longer, but this one didn't. I think because I was pulling my hair back in a bun for the last week, and then also I mentioned in my previous video about my braid out that my initial braids were just a lot smaller, and so I don't know if it had anything to do with it. But anyway, what I'm doing is just going ahead and sectioning off the front of my hair. I hadn't had a retwist in a while because I didn't retwist my hair before I braided them, and just to kind of refresh this style, I wanted to go ahead and just do a quick retwist just in the front. I'm only going to be using oil and water, and of course that's my Elaine essential oils. Again, I try my best not to manipulate my hair if it's not wet, so I just spray it down with my rose water that has a little bit of the oil in there, and then just apply some more oil. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the palm roll method and just loop it around. I'm pretty sure I have a retwist video, so I'll add that in the description box below if you guys really want to see how I retwist, because I did kind of speed through it a little bit here. But again, it's really just about 4 or 5 locks, I think, on this side, or maybe more, we'll see. But I'm just going to go ahead and let it speed through, and then once I'm on to the next step, then I'll hop back in. So once I get the section retwisted, then I'm just going to go ahead and put it in a pretty loose braid. For me, I know that my braid is loose because I'm braiding overhand. Usually when I braid underhand, I tend to braid super tight. And so I was very intentional and went ahead and braided overhand. And then I'm just going to use a small black rubber band to secure the end. I only wrapped it around twice. I didn't want it to be super tight at all, and I just kind of wanted to hold it out of the way. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Spray it with a little bit of that water, add some oil, and I'm going to go ahead and retwist this side. Now that I have that section all retwisted, I'm going to go ahead and start to gather the locks into a French braid. I made sure to keep this braid super loose because I didn't want my hair to be tight at all. The only reason why I did this style right now is because I was planning on filming over the weekend, and so I just wanted something to kind of refresh my braid out. Otherwise, I would have maybe retwisted the whole head. But either way, once I get down to the bottom of this braid, I'm going to go ahead and secure it with one rubber band, again just wrapping it twice. Then I'm going to bring both braids to the back after I let the rest of my hair down, of course, fingering through it. Bring both braids to the back, and I'm going to secure those with another rubber band. And this time, I'm just going to go ahead and invert that ponytail so that it's not sticking straight up. I wish I would have showed you guys, but hopefully that makes sense so you can kind of see a little bit of what I'm doing there. Just a quick flip and tuck. But this is the finished look. I thought it was super cute. It was really easy to achieve. It only took me about 10 minutes or less than that even. And I really like it. So if you like it as well, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you and bye.